This video is for high school students taking Chabot Dual Enrollment or Concurrent Enrollment classes for the first time. Log on to www.chabotcollege.edu. On top of the home page, click on the Apply button. It will ask, "What type of student are you?" Click on the Concurrent Enrollment student tile. Click on Apply to CCC Apply. Do the security steps. Since this is your first time applying to Chabot and taking a class, you will create a new account. Please enter a personal email. Do not use your school email. Click on Email My Verification Code. Check the email you just entered. You should have been emailed a one-time verification code. Enter that code here. Create a profile. Enter a primary phone number you can get calls or texts at. Agree to terms and answer the following questions. Verify if your address is correct. Fill out your personal information. Make sure spelling is correct. Be sure to enter your birth date correctly as well. Create a password that has all the required characters. You will see it highlighted green as you meet each requirement. Now that your OpenCCC account is done, you have to start your Chabot application. Click on Start a new application. Be sure to select correct term and year you plan to take a course. Select an education goal. After, select a major. If you are unsure, select a major close to what you are interested in or you are considering in trying. If you do not know your social security number or do not have one, you can decline. For the sake of time, we won't go over every detail. Instead, we'll only cover areas of the Chabot application you need to look out for as a high school student. Answer questions as truthfully as possible to your situation. For college enrollment status, make sure to select enrolling in high school or lower grade and college at same time. Type the name of your high school and search for it on the list. For college education, select No degree. For the sake of time, we won't go over every detail. Instead, we'll only cover areas of the Chabot application you need to look out for as a high school student. Answer questions as truthfully as possible to your situation. Since you are still in high school, you can say no to the financial assistance questions. Since you are in high school, you can say no to any programs offered and do not select any programs. During your senior year, you can consider these programs. For planned enrollment, select one of the part-time options based on how many classes you plan to take. Most high school students will take between 2 and 6 units, which is about 1 or 2 classes. Enter a phone number to receive calls or texts in case any important information has to get to you, such as building closures or emergencies. Be sure to review your application to make sure all information is true and correct. Choose a consent option. When you are ready, check the boxes to sign off on your application. Click on Submit Application. You will see a confirmation screen like this. You may need this information for your dual enrollment or concurrent enrollment forms. Press Continue when done. Answer the optional survey. You will receive an email that looks similar to this. If you are doing regular concurrent enrollment, follow the steps in this email. If you are doing dual enrollment, follow the special instructions that was shared with you by your school staff or Mr. David. Note your CCC ID and term. Make sure the term matches the term you plan to take classes. In 1 to 3 days, you will receive an email with your student ID number, also known as a W number. You need this number to do your concurrent enrollment or dual enrollment form. As a dual enrollment or concurrent enrollment student, you do not have to do the steps on this email. Congratulations for completing your Chabot application. Next step is to do your concurrent or dual enrollment form.